my first video. I am going to unbox MacBook Air 2020 model with M1 processor here with you. And here's the MacBook Air. Yes, I'm going to unbox, as you can see. For many of you who likes the sound, I already messed it up. So let's see what is it. And yeah, it was a really quick shipping. I ordered this online and Apple did a phenomenal job. Well, it's just gonna be a quick unboxing and a really quick review. We are just gonna see, what is inside the box. Basically, this air pressure is holding it tight. I'm just trying to, shake a little bit. Give it a little shake so it should let the laptop release the box. So this is the boxing model the Apple has been using for a while on their products, and here it is. We got brand new MacBook Air. It is a 2020 model. Like I said, I got the basic model, the base model. It comes with a 256 gigabyte hard drive, and as well as it has the latest M1 processor. Alright, so here it is. So at first glance, what really drew my attention is the box was very small. So it came in this box, as you can see, and I said, wow, that's really small. I mean, I was expecting something small. I was looking for something mobile. And I think that's gonna be a great device for me. So it's just gonna be a quick unboxing and a little bit of review, but my detailed review will be in the upcoming videos. So if you would like to hear about my comments and review and opinion, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment on my videos. I was actually interested in tablets, and then I'm a laptop user, computer user, so I thought that I would really need a keyboard with a tablet. And when I made math, you know what? I said maybe I just pay a couple bucks more and go for it. So I decided to go with Apple MacBook Air. There are plenty of reasons why I choose that. Like I said in my upcoming videos, I will keep you guys posted and share that with you. But for now, I just want to show you the device. It's really sleek. You can see it's very thin. It's not super light, but this is a very powerful device. So I will say it's light enough. Definitely mobile. Definitely, ergonomic. The main reason I got this for traveling purposes. So when I'm traveling, when I have long flights, that will be my best friends or the places I go. So I personally own a gaming laptop, which is quite heavy, to be honest. So I don't really tend to carry that all around with me. This is not as portable as tablet, but still a very portable device. So inside the box, we got there's a M1 processor again with 8 gigabyte RAM and 256 gigabyte hard drive. So I got the base model with 7 core GPU. Inside the box also we got this little pamphlet. You can find all the goodies and information and probably some Apple stickers. So the other thing, this is the first Apple product that I bought from myself. Since I know myself, I only use Windows and Android, so this is first time actually I'm switching. Maybe I shouldn't have said switching. I will just, try. So I will still keep my Windows devices and my Android devices. So, but this is just going to be an addition for me to experience different ecosystem, different operating system. So here we got this 30-watt wall adapter. As you can see, this is a USB Type-C adapter, and it comes with the USB Type-C cable. And that's pretty much all about the box. There's really nothing else. There's a little pamphlet, you get the charging cord and the wall, and of course the MacBook Air. So I'm going to take this off. I know a lot of people like to hear this sound. And here it is. We got the MacBook Air. This is a brand new laptop. It's really nice. I love the design. I can easily say that. It's very thin, and seriously, it's not very light. If you're looking for a super light device, and then I would definitely recommend you to go with a tablet. But if you're looking for a light computer, laptop, go with this. This is the thing you're looking for. And here it is. Oh my god, just powered on. To be honest, I was not expecting that. It just powered on, and let's see, I will just take off this cover from the screen, so it's ready to use. As you can, I'll go ahead and complete the setup, and I will definitely go ahead and shoot another video. I'm gonna talk about the more about the technical specifications of this device, as well as how was my first impression, how was my experience. Like I said, I've been a lifetime Windows user, so it's gonna be first time for me to experience a different operating system. I mean, it's not that I've never used Apple computer. When I was in the school, I had a chance to give it a shot a few times, but it's just like maybe 2-3 times usage, so it doesn't really count. I never owned an Apple device, so this is my first Apple device. I should say that so far so good. Right off the bat, what really is different for me compared to Windows laptops, the touchpad. I don't know if you can't see well, it's really huge. And I know MacBook Pro has even larger touchpad than this, but this is more than sufficient. If I'm eyeballing, I think about 80% battery already. It's ready to use and ready to go. I definitely like it, and so far everything looks great. I can't really complain about it. It's just, so well, before I finish this video here, I just would like to tell you guys that, like I said, it's my first video, and just to be recognized and get more support, please subscribe my video, like it, and share your comments. Tell me what I can do better, how can I improve my channel. I am always open to positive and constructive comments, so please go ahead and let me know. And like I said, give me your support so I can go ahead and get you guys more contents. So, well, I guess that's it for now. That was just a quick unboxing and a quick little review, my first impression video, but I will share more opinion of mine in an upcoming video with more detailed information and technical specifications and all. So please stay tuned and wait for my next video. Till then, stay safe.